Look, it's coming down. It's like, seriously, you can see it coming down. Oh my gosh, what the hell, that is creepy. That is creepy. And there's a light around it. Holy. Holy mackerel, man. Holy mackerel. Ah. Can you see it? Oh my, where's it gone? There. Oh my gosh. It's like, that's seriously moving down as you watch, it's moving down. It's like, you can see it swirling. You probably won't be able to see it on the video, but you can see it moving. Look at it. Oh god, this is creepy.
It looks like a giant.
Holy shoot. It's like actually moving. Oh gosh.
We're all gonna die.
It's, you can't see it very well on the video, but it's swirling. It's moving down. Oh my gosh. Look. It's swirling.
Don't do that. If it drops, you have to pay for it. I love doing that.
Oh my god, look at it. Oh, there's water all over my screen. Shoot. Oh gosh.
That's air bubbles.
Well, I can't see it very well now.
Boy, watch out.
Oh gosh, there it is. Holy crap. Whoa.
Holy crapicus!
Oh, that hit my iPad. Oh, that hit my iPad. If this had fallen, you would have owed me tons of cash.
That's what I said.
You idiot.
That's awesome.
Look at that. Look, it's, you can't see it, but it's actually moving. Yeah, I know, but it looks...
Down. They don't move downwards.
This is a fake.
No, they don't.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video.
I'm gonna die, everybody.
What about you,